Well, we had that true summer weather today with temperatures and humidity back in full force. Here's a look at our highs for today. Across the area, really warm everywhere in the mid and upper 80s, even reaching 90 degrees over in Waterloo. Same thing down in Washington, 91 down in Iowa City, 89 for your high here in Cedar Rapids, and 81 degrees across the board to the north in Decorah, Olwine, and in New Hampton. Here's a look at your weekend forecast. The heat is going to be hanging on with us as we head through your day tomorrow with highs in the mid and upper 80s, as well as that elevated humidity. Sunday, we drop down a little bit into the lower 80s, and this is due to a cold front, but also because we do have some rain and storm chances, and that's going to help cool us down as we head into the start of the week. We'll talk more details on that rain in just a moment here, but for tonight, no rain to talk about. Quiet conditions across the area. We'll have mostly clear to partly cloudy skies with temperatures falling only into the mid and upper 70s, so a warm and a muggy night ahead tonight. Then for tomorrow, the forecast is really going to be dependent on where exactly you are at in terms of rain timing. So it's looking like we should have a mainly dry start to the day with cloud cover building in as we head towards the later morning hours. And then by the afternoon and evening, that's where those rain and storm chances are going to start to increase. But as far as temperatures go, going to be in the mid and upper 80s with that higher humidity. And once you include that humidity with our temperatures, that puts our heat index values back up into the mid 90s as we head really throughout the morning towards midday and into the start of the afternoon. But as that cold front starts to move through, that rain starts to move through as well, we have this really nice temperature drop really between 2 and 3 o'clock. So tomorrow afternoon and evening is going to feel nice, but we'll of course be dealing with those showers and storms. Some of these storms that develop could turn strong to severe. We do have a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe storms in all these areas in yellow. So really over all of the area, our main concerns right now are gusty damaging winds with these storms, some periods of heavy rain, and secondary threats of hail and isolated tornadoes. Those chances are low, but they are not zero. But talking about that heavy rain, it's kind of hard to pinpoint exactly how much we'll get and where because it all depends on the coverage of those storms as well as the timing. But we could be looking at a range of 2 to even 5 inches in some spots. And because of that, we do have flood watches already in effect. All these areas shaded in green, so mainly everywhere along and south of Highway 20. This extends through Monday. So this is something we will be keeping a very close eye on. But timing out the next few days for you, clear skies tonight, winds coming in out of the south. By tomorrow morning, likely around 11, maybe noon is when those rain and showers are going to start to move in from northwest, moving down to the southeast. So scattered activity through the afternoon with more of that wider, more organized activity likely coming through tomorrow evening. That's where we have that higher chance for some storms. Then as we head through the overnight hours, additional activity will be likely. Sunday, we should start to dry things out. Can't rule out a few isolated to even scattered showers and storms through the day. And then we'll likely have some more redevelopment as we head towards Sunday night and into your day on Monday. So lots of rain chances ahead over the next few days. Make sure you're keeping that umbrella handy, but also making sure that you have ways to receive those warnings in case any are issued. So we do have that chance for scattered showers and storms tomorrow into tomorrow night. High around 87 for your high on Saturday. Lower 80s on Sunday, and as we head into the work week and by the middle of the week should start to dry things out with temperatures warming back up into the upper 80s.